Today I'm going to teach you how to download documents from LinkedIn posts. This is incredibly useful when you come across valuable resources, presentations, or PDFs that people share on LinkedIn and you want to save them for later reference or offline viewing. Let's walk through this simple process step by step. First, you need to open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you're fully signed in before proceeding to the next step, as you'll need access to your feed to locate the posts you're interested in. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your LinkedIn homepage where you can see your feed. Now comes the fun part, scrolling through and finding the post that contains the document you want to download. This could be a PDF, a presentation, an infographic, or any other type of document that someone has shared. Take your time browsing through your feed until you spot the post with the document you need. You'll typically notice these posts because they display a document preview with multiple pages shown. Once you've located the post with the document, look for the expand icon. This icon is usually positioned near the document preview and allows you to view the document in a larger, more detailed format. Click on this expand icon, and the document will open up in a full screen or enlarged view, making it easier to preview the content before downloading. Now that the document is expanded, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the download icon, which typically looks like a downward pointing arrow. This icon is your gateway to saving the document directly to your device. Click on the download icon, and the document will immediately begin downloading to your computer or mobile device, depending on what you're using. The file will be saved to your default downloads folder. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a document from a LinkedIn post. This straightforward method allows you to collect valuable resources shared by your network and access them whenever you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.